how do you represent basic gates with the help of the NAND gate. Okay, here you can see it is a NAND gate. What is the expression for the NAND gate? Y is equal to A dot B. A dot B means A or A and B, and it is a NOT. Okay, it is a NOT. Okay, we are doing NOT of A and B. Okay, and what is the expression for the NOT gate? Usually Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar is the NOT gate expression. Then how do you write, how do you transform this NAND gate to the NOT gate? Okay, you can see A dot A will be, here you can see A dot A is equal to A actually. Okay, then how can we make it? If you make the B also as an A, then you will get A bar obviously. Okay, that means irrespective of passing two inputs, okay, pass only one input for the AND gate. Okay, for both the inputs pass only one line, okay, then B will become A. B will become A, then A dot B is equal to A, then obviously bar is there, we'll keep the bar. Okay, this is how you can make NAND gate as the NOT gate. Just pass only one input for both the inputs of NAND gate to transform the NAND gate as NOT gate. Coming to the AND gate, how do you represent AND gate with respect to the NAND gate? Okay, what is the expression for the NAND gate? A dot B bar. Okay, if you not that NOT, reverse that NOT, then obviously it will that bar get cancel. Okay, suppose that means you are reversing the NOT. Okay, how do you do that? After NAND gate, connect to the NOT gate. Okay, after NOT gate, connect to the NOT gate. We are changing the NOT with the NOT. I hope you got the point. Suppose we are reversing it. Right now I am the example is not triggering to my mind. I hope you are understanding it. Okay, not this NOT. Okay, not this NOT. Okay, then it will transform to the original format. Is it correct or not? Okay, I am writing one NAND gate. Okay, to not this one. Okay, like minus of minus will be plus, right? Minus of minus in math, minus of -2 is equal to +2. Is that correct or not? Okay, that is what we are performing. First I am writing the NAND gate. Obviously I will get A dot B bar. When I connect this output to the NOT gate, okay, NOT gate, that means we are knotting this resultant value. That means bar. Okay, when bar is there, then we will get this minus will cancel and it will be resulting in the plus symbol. Then obviously it will become the original data. That means A and B. Okay, this is how you can represent AND gate with the help of the NAND gate. Then how do you represent OR gate with the help of the NAND gate? Okay, and what is the value? What is the expression for the OR gate? Y is equal to A plus B. Then how do we like transform A dot B bar as A bar plus B bar? How do you transform it? Okay, here you can see one formula, that is A dot B bar. That means actual expression for the NAND gate is equal to, we can write this as A bar plus B bar. Okay, what is the expression for the OR gate? We don't want that bars. Okay, we don't want that bars. Okay, if we write we can if we elaborate it, you will get A bar plus B bar. But to get this A plus B, we don't want this bars on top of A and B. Okay, how can we knot them? Just knot this. Okay, just knot. Okay, that means you have to get another bar on top of it to cancel this bar, minus of minus. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, that's why I am taking, okay, I am taking A bar, not of A, and B bar, not of B, and I am passing both of them to the NAND gate again. That means if you give the NAND gate again, that means another bar will get appear. Okay, will actually that is the expression. A dot B whole bar is a NAND gate expression. Okay, but here in irrespective of passing A, we are passing the A bar. That means A bar dot B bar whole bar. This bar will get cancelled. Then we can write A bar bar plus B bar bar. What is A bar bar? If you are getting 2 times, okay, that means minus of minus, obviously it is plus original value, okay, A plus B. Okay, this whole circuit is the expression for OR gate with respect to the NAND gate. Okay, then this is the representation of all gates using the NAND gate. Okay.